Okay, what I'm going to show here is this is a Ford Ranger, as you just saw, the logo down the bottom. But it's got a lot of scratches in this tailgate, so a little bit hard to see here, but very hard to pick it up on the camera. But it looks a lot worse than what I can see through the camera. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to actually cut and buff these things, just to show you that it is possible to try and get some scratches out here. As you can see, like, I don't know what's caused this, so something's been rubbing all the way across it. As you can see, there's marks all over it, so a bit hard to see from a distance. But what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to work the paintwork here, and as you can see on there, a bit hard with the glare coming through the door, but we'll see how it looks. So give me a few minutes, I'll fix it up, and then I'll show you. Just quickly did this, and as you can see, that's just the rest of the cutting compound. See the scratches there, as you can see there, move across. Okay, straight off the machine, they're all gone. So it is quite possible. I'll just wipe this. And you know what, this is a dirty old rag that I'm just wiping it with. So, because I'm going to buff it again anyway. This just collects all the polish and stuff. And that's just one quick look. It's all done. As you can see, no matter what angle I put the camera on, can't see any more scratches. Completely all gone. Gloss is a lot better.
Wow.
Scratches went right across, which I didn't show you earlier. But that's generally how it is. Doesn't matter how close I get it, you're not going to see any scratches whatsoever. Okay, all done. That's removing the scratches.